Okay. Now I will discuss about the major urban health issue. Like, like in different countries, Nepal has also go rapid urbanization. Because of rapid urbanization, there has been rise in mental health issue as well as environment health issue. The major mental health issue include the non-communicable disease, and the major environment health issue include the air pollution and waste disposal. Sorry, so this about my rationale. So there is a fragmented data source in the municipality. The municipality generally produce different type of data. Data arises from the water, data arises from the environment, data arises from the education, data arises from the health. But however, all these municipality generated data, but the data generated for the municipality do not talk each other. The data are working in the silo, and the absence of data harmonization generally impact the decision making. So it is important and rational to develop an urban data health data portal that integrate all type of data, and the data can integrate into each other. So the objective of my study is first to analyze the urban health policy and the secondary data that exists within the municipality, and we should also identify and map the urban health municipality demographic detail, housing, socio-economic and health infrastructure. We'll assess the all public health facility within the municipality, and we'll also evaluate the prevalence of communicable disease, non-communicable disease, and environment issue within the municipality. And finally, our objective is to develop to comprehensive urban health data hub for the municipality. So this is the resource method, how we are going to develop the urban health data portal of the municipality. So in the research method, we'll do formative research, like we do formative research on the municipality department, and we also do the social mapping. Social mapping will be done in the Ward 7 of the municipality of Grand Nicosia municipality, and we'll do household census. Household census will be conducted in the Ward 4 and Ward 7 of the municipality, and we'll also measure the health facility. Will also measure the availability and quality of all health facility of the municipality. And all this data will be used to develop urban health data portal. So about the research effort, we will conduct the formative research among the 4 key informant interview of the department of the municipality. So these are the department of the municipality where we conducted our formative research. The main purpose of the formative research is to identify what are the data source that are generated from the department of the municipality, what are the data constitution, what type of data are generated, and whether the data are used for decision making or not. So after the formative study, we'll also do social mapping. The social mapping will be done in Ward 7 of the municipality. So these are the indicators where we do the social mapping. The major landmark we'll collect were included education, institutes, health facility, what are child development center, what are the green space, what are the blue space, what are the religious space, agricultural space. These are the indicators that we'll use for the social mapping. The main purpose of the social mapping is to identify what are the community assets and what are the resources available within the ward of the municipality. So another major component is to conduct the household census. So we are planning to do household census in Ward 7 and Ward 4 of the municipality, and the total sample on the Ward 7 is around 17,000 household, and in the Ward 4 is about 25,000 household. So the main purpose of the household census is to generate a comprehensive demographic, social, economic, and health profile. So another component of this household census is also develop a digital family health profile folder. So that will be a consolidated repository of family health profile. So the family health profile will include all detailed information of each family member of the household. So the another approach we are going to do is conducting the health facility assessment. We are going to collect the data of 11 public health facility of the Grand Nicosia municipality. The major purpose of doing this health facility is to generate the availability of quality of resource health services within the municipality, whether there is available of basic service or not, whether there is available of medical supply equipment or not. And besides this health facility assessment, we will also conduct the key informant interview among the key focal person of the health facility to identify what are the challenges, what are the issues, what are the barriers within the health facility. So this is the process of developing the urban health data portal. So how we develop urban health data portal is like we will collect the primary data. The primary data will come from the formative research, social mapping, household census, and the health facility assessment. All this data will be integrated into urban health data hub. And also we'll get the data from the municipality. All the municipalities have different type of data source. So all the data source available from the municipality will be integrated to include in the urban health data portal. And there is also, we also get the data from the secondary data analysis, like if for the municipality we have the data of population census, and DHS data will also use that data to develop the urban health data portal. So in this way, we are going to develop the urban health data portal for the municipality. So this is the sample of the dashboard, like urban health data dashboard. This is also sample. So this dashboard includes all the health indicator and all the information of each department. So this platform can be used by the municipality, whether which program to decide, whether for the resource allocation, whether which program we have to fund our resources. So this can be one of the interactive dashboard for the municipality. Besides this, this dashboard can be also interactive for the policymaker and for the planner, whether what type of data is available and what type of disease is burden within the municipality. So this is the major research activity we are going to do, and I'd like to inform that we have already completed some of the activity like planning and coordination, stakeholder engagement. Now we are in the phase of implementing of the research activity. And the end product of this project will be the designing the urban health data hub, and also we plan to use the urban health data hub for the decision making. So this is my conclusion. I would like to wrap up my discussion in the conclusion. Like the major finding, like urbanization in the municipality, urban municipality has faced complex health challenges, fragmented data source, and health inequality that need to be addressed. So we'll design this urban health data portal through the process of co-design and co-creation. It will create a platform that unifies data within the municipality, and that can help for the evidence decision making. And this is also an innovative approach which can put a municipality in the form of the digital transformation. So I'll be in my opinion. Thank you so much.